Attractiveness is such a weird thing. Some people just seem to float through life getting better treatment in relationships, at work, even from strangers. And the rest of us? We're left wondering, is that just how it is? Are some people just born lucky? Well, not exactly. Because here's the truth no one talks about. Attractiveness isn't just about a perfect nose or long lashes. There's actually way more to it than you'd think, and most of it is learnable. I went deep into the psychology and patterns of what really makes us attractive, and turned everything I learned into a cute 7-step guide anyone can follow to level up instantly. Poor grooming and attractiveness don't belong in the same sentence. Because let's be real, no one's finding you irresistible if your breath or teeth say otherwise. Bad hygiene kills the vibe faster than anything else. Teeth stains are a big one. Coffee, wine, and even certain teas are full of tannins, which are plant compounds that make pigments stick to your teeth more easily. So over time, that morning coffee might be dulling your whole smile. Don't worry, sis. I'm not trying to make you quit your favorite drink. But if you want to keep your smile bright without doing the most, try Miswak. It's a natural teeth cleaning stick that's been used for centuries. And honestly, it works better than half the stuff in the dental aisle. It has antibacterial properties that help fight plaque, freshen your breath, and gently whiten your teeth. Every morning after brushing your teeth and tongue, use it as a natural whitening boost. Just cut the tip, chew to soften, and brush in circles. Your teeth will be white in less than a week. But let's not forget the details that quietly speak the loudest. Dry, cracked lips are instantly noticeable. Keep them smooth and hydrated with gloss or lip oil. It makes your face look softer in seconds. Your hair should always look clean, styled, or slicked back. So if you're not already, wash it 2 to 3 times a week and use organic oil or hair serums for a shiny look. Always keep your nails clean, neat, and never chipped. And most of all, fix your posture. It's not grooming in a traditional sense, but it makes you look put together, confident, and more attractive. But this is only the bare minimum. If you want to look more attractive, you have to change how you do this one thing. This tiny shift can instantly take you from a basic 4 to a solid 9. Your eyebrows do more than frame your face. They actually lift it. Trimming them upwards gives you a natural facelift effect, while dragging the shape down makes your whole face look tired and older. You can use a medical tape for guidance. Just place a small strip over the brows you want to keep and trim only the hairs that fall outside the tape. Avoid any scotch, masking, or duct tape. But there's another small shift that makes a huge difference in how attractive you look. Parting your hair according to your face shape can take you from this to this without doing too much. Oval faces work well with any parting. For round faces, place the parting between your eyebrows. It frames the sides and elongates your face. If you have a long face, part from the start of your eyebrow. Covering one side will make your face look shorter. For a heart, square, or diamond face, part from the middle of your pupil. This balances the cheekbones and softens the angles. And if you don't know your face shape, then part in between the middle of your eyebrows or at the start of your eyebrow. This parting looks good on all face shapes. But looking more attractive is almost impossible without this one thing. Miss it, and no amount of makeup or good hair will save the look. Skincare over makeup will always be the win, because the girls who actually look attractive have one thing in common: glowing and hydrated skin.
Nice.
That's the real secret behind the no makeup look. Your skin is what people see up close. Makeup's temporary, but your real face is here to stay. I have full videos about clear skin and fixing your skin barrier on this channel. So I'll stick to the basics that will give you quick results. If you watch my videos, you already know using too many products can wreck your skin barrier. Instead of a 10-step skincare routine, stick to this simple 3-step routine: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. If you don't properly cleanse your face at least once a day, then you can forget looking more attractive. Because clogged pores and dull skin can take you from a 10 to a 5 real quick. Double cleanse your face with a hydrating cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen every single day. Each of these 3 must be hydrating because this is the actual secret to bouncy, plump, and glowing glass skin. I know, sticking to all these tips can feel like a full-time job sometimes. That's exactly why I created a space where we do it together. Tap the info card or hit the first link in the description to join us. But for now, let's get back to the video. Here's the truth. Looking effortlessly put together all the time is not easy. Hot girls have a solid self-care ritual, and I call it the high maintenance to be low maintenance routine. It's usually done on Sundays to keep looking effortlessly attractive and put together all week, without wasting time every day. The key is using semi-permanent beauty hacks that keep you glowing throughout the week. Every Sunday, after trimming your brows, apply an eyebrow dye to define your shape and keep them looking full all week. Dye your lashes so that they always look lifted and defined, even with no mascara. If you want fuller lashes, grab a DIY lash extension kit and apply clusters every week or two. It's cheaper and looks just as good. Dermaplane your face to remove peach fuzz and dead skin. It instantly makes your skin look smoother, clearer, and more glowy. After that, use face tanner only under cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. It gives you a soft, natural contour. You will literally wake up with a snatch face every morning. And finally, finish with a good lip tint so your lips stay pink and fresh all day. No constant reapplying. Do this once a week and you'll wake up looking put together every single day. But there's something else that instantly makes you look more attractive. And the best part is, you can start doing it today. If you want to look more attractive naturally and effortlessly, start moving your body. It's one of the fastest ways to glow up, and not just physically. Consistent movement defines your face, improves posture, boosts your mood, and makes you carry yourself with confidence. And that's what people notice first. It also gets your blood flowing and promotes lymphatic drainage, which helps reduce puffiness, especially around your face. People spend hundreds on lymphatic facials when a 20-minute walk can literally do the same thing. You don't need a gym membership or intense workouts. Walking, Pilates, stretching, and even dancing in your room counts. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes a day. Walk after meals, take the stairs, or throw on a cute workout set and follow a quick YouTube video. But there's still one more thing that makes anyone instantly more attractive. Smelling good is one of the fastest ways to become instantly more attractive. It's not just about hygiene. Scent creates presence. I already have a full video on hygiene and how to smell good head to toe on this channel, but this one tip deserves its own moment. It's a DIY perfume made with fabric softener and water. It literally smells like clean linen, and it will turn heads. In a spray bottle, mix 1 part liquid fabric softener with 2 to 3 parts water. Shake it well. Spray it lightly on your clothes every morning before you leave the house. You can also keep it in your bag to use throughout the day. But let's be honest, attractive people are not afraid to be disliked. And if you want to be hot, then you have to stop doing this one thing. Stop letting people walk all over you. Attractive people have strong boundaries. Because real confidence, the kind that draws people in, comes from how you treat yourself. If you don't respect your own time, energy, or peace, why would anyone else? When you set boundaries, you show people that your attention, energy, and presence are earned, not handed out for free. And that instantly makes you magnetic. Setting boundaries means knowing what you're available for and what you're not. It's saying no without guilt, walking away when something doesn't feel right, and it's choosing your peace over people-pleasing. Start small. Don't reply to texts the second they come in. Say no to plans that drain you. If something makes you uncomfortable, speak up. You don't have to be rude, just be clear. But looking more attractive is just the beginning. If you want to look expensive without breaking the bank, then check out this video as well.